Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 6 students, and our today's topic is Chapter 10 MCQ. Our lecture number 26 and our today's HW number 24. So dear students, let's start our class. Dear students, at first take your science book and your suggestion. Okay, let's start our class. Today we will discuss about MCQ from chapter 10. Our topic chapter 10, chapter name is motion. Dear students, first MCQ, read the following passage and answer the questions number 41 to 42. Remy travelled a linear distance of 8 meters in a particular direction from a fixed position. From there, she came back 6 meters along the same way. I am repeating again. Remy travelled a linear distance of 8 meters in a particular direction from a fixed position. At first, Remy travelled a linear distance of 8 meters. Okay. Then from there she came back 6 meters position along the same way. So question number MCQ number 41. What distance was traversed by Remy? Option A 2 meters, option B 10 meters, option C 14 meters, and option D 48 meters. So dear students, look, at first Remy travelled a linear distance from 8 meters. That means at first 8. She traversed 8 meters, and from there she back 6 meters. That means 6. So our question, what distance was traversed by Remy? So at first we have to know what is distance. We know distance. What is distance? Distance is means the total length of traversed by an object from a particular direction. That means at first the Remy travelled by a linear distance from 8 and then she came back 6 meters. That means 8 plus 6 equal 14 meters distance. Distance means total length of travel by Remy. That means 8 plus 6 equal 14 meter. That means our correct answer is option C. So put a tick mark on option C. The distance traversed by Remy was 14 meters. Now next question, 42 number question. What was Remy's displacement? Dear students, we have to know what is displacement. We know displacement means from initial distance to final distance. That means initial distance was 8 meter and final distance was 6 meters. That means 8 minus 6 equal 2. Displacement 8 minus 6, that means 2 meter. Okay. So our correct answer is option A. So put a tick mark on option A. That means what distance was traversed by Remy? Remy's distance was traversed by 14 meters. And what is her displacement? Displacement was 2 meters. Okay. Now next question, 43 number question. What is called the rate of change of displacement with time? What is called the rate of change of displacement with time? Dear students, we know the rate of change of displacement with time is called velocity. That means our correct answer option B, velocity. Next question, what kind of motion is that of the clock's second hand? Option A, translational motion. option B rotational motion, option C oscillatory motion, and option D periodic motion. Dear students, we know what kind of motion is that the clock's second hand. We know clock's motion is periodic motion. So our correct answer option D. Put a tick mark on option D. Now next question 45 number. When an object changes its position with time relative to an observer, then the object is at option A rest, option B motion, option C acceleration, option D move. Dear students, I am repeating again. When an object changes its position with time relative to an observer, then the object is at called motion. We know what is motion. When an object changes its position with time relative to an observer, this is called motion. So our correct answer option B. So put a tick mark on option B. Now 46 number question. Which is determined by reference frame? Option A rest, option B volume, option C temperature, and option D energy. Dear students, I am repeating again. Which is determined by reference frame? We know determined by reference frame is rest. So option A is correct answer. So put a tick mark on option A. Now 47 number question. What is the unit of displacement? Option A meter, option B square meter, option C Newton, and option D Newton per meter square. Dear students, we know the unit of displacement is meter. So put a tick mark on option A. I am repeating again, the displacement unit of displacement is meter. Okay, now next number question 48. What is the unit of force? Option A meter, option B kilometer, option C Newton, option D Pascal. Dear students, we know the unit of force is called Newton. So C is our correct answer. So put a tick mark on option C. We know the unit of force is Newton. Now next number question 49. Motion of the hand of clock. Number 1 periodic motion, number 2 rotational motion, number 3 translational motion. Which one is the following is correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 1 and 3, option C 2 and 3, option D 1, 2 and 3. Dear students, motion, we know motion of the hand clock is periodic and rotational motion. So our correct answer is option A. That means 1 and 2 are correct answer. So put a tick mark on option A. Dear students, I am repeating again. Motion of the hand of clock is periodic motion and rotational motion. That means A is our correct answer. 1 and 2 is our correct answer. Now 50 number question. Speed equal what? Option A time divided by distance, option B speed divided by time, option C displacement divided by time, and option D distance divided by time. Dear students, from this chapter we know speed is the distance divided by time. That means we know speed equal, the formula of speed equal distance divided by time. So our correct answer option D. Dear students, I am repeating again, the formula of speed is distance divided by time. So our correct answer option D. So put a tick mark on option D. Now 51 number MCQ. In which motion an object travels a certain path repeatedly? I am repeating again, in which motion an object travels a certain path repeatedly? Option A translational motion, option B complex motion, option C curvilinear motion, and option D periodic motion. Dear students, we know in which motion an object travels a certain path repeatedly, we know this periodic motion. So our correct answer option D. Put a tick mark on option D. An object travels a certain path repeatedly in periodic motion. Now last number MCQ 52 number MCQ. What is the reason of excessive road accidents? What is the reason of excessive road accidents? Option A, traffic on road. Option B, excessive velocity of vehicle. And option C, noise of vehicle. Option D, population explosion. Dear students, we know the reason of excessive road accidents is excessive velocity of vehicles. That means our correct answer option B. So put a tick mark on option B. Dear students, our today's SW number 24 and topic chapter 10 MCQ. Submit on Sunday. So dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic properly. Keep practicing at home and submit SW regularly, because you will get your CT, SBI and diary marks on the basis of performance of your SW. So dear students, keep practicing at home. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.